afternoon. My name is Alena Shautsova. I'm an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's video, I would like to discuss a topic of non-production of green cards and work authorizations by USCIS. What started happening recently is that when a person's application for work permit or green card was approved, the person would not receive a green card or work authorization themselves and just receive a notice of approval. Many are discussing this topic. What's happening and why it's happening. What's happening is because USCIS parted ways with a contractor that used to be printing those cards, and now they do not have anyone to print the cards. And unfortunately, immigrants got stuck in this situation. And for some, situation is worse than others. For example, if you're a green card holder and you received a receipt saying that your green card application was in fact approved, you can make an InfoPass appointment with USCIS and request that your passport be stamped with I-551 stamp as proof of your permanent residency in the United States while you're waiting for your green card to be mailed to you. But for those who are relying on work permit as their verification of employment eligibility, the situation is worse, because under the regulations, only the card itself basically is the proof of your ability to work in the United States. Of course, the situation is such that you don't have a choice. Under the same regulations, if your work permit is lost, for example, you can rely on notice of approval of your employment authorization to work, but no more than 90 days, okay? In some situations, when you filed for the extension or renewal of your work permit, your old work permit was automatically extended for 180 days. So with the old work permit and that notice of filing, you can prove that you're eligible to work in the United States for about 6 months after the expiration of your old work permit, all right? But if the time passed, if you're outside of that time, unfortunately, you have no other choice but to contact USCIS Ombudsman, and describe the situation and request help in obtaining the verification of your eligibility to work in the United States. These are the recommendations by the USCIS Ombudsman's Office. USCIS is set to try to resolve the situation. Of course, the fact that they don't have the money right now, they stated that the situation can be extended because of the lack of funds. Basically, they do not have money to hire somebody to start printing the cards. But of course, it doesn't change your problem, right? It doesn't make your problem in any way better. So for green card holders, again, you have ability to secure proof of your status by going to USCIS offices and requesting I-551 stamp. And you can use that stamp as proof that you can work in the United States. You can use that stamp as proof that you can enter the United States when you are traveling abroad, all right? And for those who rely only on work authorization, I believe those people suffer the most, because for you guys, it's either automatic extension argument if you're within that relevant time period, or you have to find creative solutions of forcing USCIS to give you the card. Some practitioners recommend lawsuit for the card to be issued. So these are the updates for the green cards and work permit situation. Hopefully those tips will be used by you to secure your proof of legal status in the United States. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and I hope to see you soon.